Every year in monsoon, our nature gives us a life in the form of rainfall, but little bit of it stored in the soil, dams, lakes, etc. and remaining water get wasted in rivers. At the time of rainfall, we didn't even recognize that running water, but when the water level of our wells goes down, then we think on it, but at the time, we can't do anything, so we face water scarcity. Only mean to say, when the well is dry, we learn the value of water. Nowadays, we are reaching to the heights of development and covering all the earth's surface by cement and concrete material, but we are forgetting that we are closing the route of water to get entered in the earth's surface, and it directly affects on our groundwater level, and we need face water scarcity. If this condition goes on, then our new generation will face a high water problems for drinking and agriculture purpose. Till about 30 years back, the areas around our homes and offices used to be unpaved, and the rain falling on these areas would percolate into the soil and remain there for being drawn through shallow open wells. With the proliferation of flat complexes, not only have these areas been avid and percolation of rainwater into the soil almost totally stopped. The quantity of water drawn from the soil below has increased manifold. Consequently, open wells and not so deep bore wells started drying up. The reason is that no sincere attempt is made to replenish the groundwater table and rainwater during the monsoon. The rainwater harvesting is the simple collection of storing of water through scientific techniques from the areas where the rain falls. It involves utilization of rainwater for the domestic or the agriculture purpose. The method of rainwater harvesting has been into practice since ancient times. It is as far the best possible way to conserve water and awaken the society towards the importance of water. The method is simple and cost effective too. It is especially beneficial in the areas which faces a scarcity of water. People usually make complaints about the lack of water. During the monsoons, lots of water goes waste in the gutters, and this is when rainwater harvesting proves to be the most effective way to conserve water. We can collect the rainwater into the tanks and prevent it from falling into drains and being wasted. It is practiced on the large scale in metropolitan cities. Rainwater harvesting comprises of storage of water and water recharging through the technical